If you want to start freelancing in 2026 but don't know what skill actually makes money, this video will save you months of confusion. I'm going to show you the most in-demand freelancing skills right now that clients are actively paying for. Whether you're a beginner or switching careers, choosing the right skill is everything. Because in freelancing, it's not about working hard, it's about working in the right skill market. Let's break down the top skills. 1. AI content creation and prompt engineering. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney have created a huge demand for people who can use them effectively. Clients are hiring for AI blog writing, script generation for YouTube, AI image and video creation, and automation workflows. If you can combine creativity with AI tools, you already have an advantage. 2. Video editing for short-form content. Short-form video is exploding on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Skills in demand include CapCut and Premiere Pro editing, subtitles and captions, viral storytelling, and faceless YouTube video creation. Brands want attention editors who can keep viewers watching are highly paid. 3. Shopify and e-commerce management. Online stores are growing fast, especially Shopify brands. Freelancers are needed for product uploads, store setup, customer support, order management, and Shopify customization. This is a strong long-term skill with stable income. Start learning today and build your future in the gig economy.